Another Frontier flight.
This time for Bravo crossing, stand by 12 o'clock.
Frontier is very nice. I have paid only $45 from San Francisco to Las Vegas to Phoenix, and Phoenix to Las Vegas. It's only $135 for 3 flights. Excellent. Leaving the aircraft in Phoenix, Frontier Airlines. Very good flight. Only 45 minutes from Las Vegas to Phoenix. Flight is going back to Las Vegas at 12:48. The same flight which we came now. So we came from that gate. So in US, arrival and departure are from same gate. So unlike other countries, so flight also goes in the same gate, depart from same gate. I have to take that PHX SkyTrain. I heard that it is free. So from here to it will connect to other metro lines or tram lines. So I am in Terminal 3. So just I go to restrooms, and then I will take that train. So I have only carry bag. So no luggage to pick up. So bye to my Frontier flight. So going to city now. So this is the restaurants. So supermarket. So these are departures. I am always interested to see departures and arrivals board. They are excellent. Looks very beautiful. See. So I can see arrivals. My flight. So from here you can see Las Vegas, Frontier, 10:20 a.m. Arrived at 11:43. So these are beautiful arrival and departure boards. So all US airports are excellent. They are very efficient, very big. But only thing is expensive to eat. Flights are cheap, but food is expensive. My flight is only $45, but my breakfast is $10. So because as a manpower is costly, so that is the reason food is expensive in the restaurant, and rents are expensive. You can see Terminal 3 and 4, and you can also see Waymo here. So Waymo automatic driverless car. So this is going to downtown Phoenix. This is a road and rental car. I have to go to this PHX SkyTrain. So I have to take this. PHX means Phoenix. SkyTrain is a free train. So it will take us to city. See, I have to take left. PHX SkyTrain. Hudson Shop, Passage Shop by Hudson. So beautiful lounges, beautiful terminal. People are working with the laptops. So restaurants, excellent. Phoenix is, I think, 5th largest city in the US. 5th or 6th. One is New York, second is Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, and I think then Phoenix. So 5th largest. So I want to take this PHX SkyTrain. See, beautiful board, PHX SkyTrain. So there is no confusion. So restrooms are again here. So everyone is going to the SkyTrain, PHX SkyTrain. So from there I have to take right. So SkyTrain, I can see downtown from here. The downtown from here, but it is might be very far. Going on escalator. Almost on the platform. Very easy, very efficient. So this is a SkyTrain platform. So board here. So this is going to. There are two platforms. One is downtown. So yeah, I have to go to downtown. I think left. This is the train, Sky train, PHX skate. So going to downtown. So I have to get down at 44th Street, Washington Street. Train started. So you can see the airport 80 seat.
Next stop, Terminal 4.
So next stop is Terminal 4. This is a Sky train.
Next stop, Terminal 4.
I think it is automatic. I can't see driver. I am in the driver position, front, standing in the front. This is monorail. See, it is using only one. Okay, oh no,
Please hold on.
it is
Approaching
using two
Terminal
ways.
4.
I think it is using wheels, not tracks. And middle one is electric supply, power supply. This is Terminal 4. You can see Southwest, all Southwest flights here. Southwest is cheap is a low cost airlines. And we also get drinks
Exit here
free.
for Terminal 4.
So next stop is economy car parking.
Next stop, exit Terminal 4.
Is still in airport.
Airport Phoenix Sky Harbor, America's friendliest airport.
You can see mountains nearby, downtown place nearby, and the Sky train.
Yes, well, I also got your bag and my bag, if it'll be, this would be my purse, and then my backpack. I have your
Another train, Sky train, going to Terminal 3. We are going to Terminal car parking and then 44th Street. So from there I have to take train to go to downtown. Train, tram, bus, whatever. I think train is better because it's a city. See the car parking area. This is economy car parking area. It is a free train ride for them as well, for us as well. It is free train. So no need to pay anything.
Please hold on. Approaching East Economy Lot.
So this is East Economy lot. So mine is next stop, last stop. This is the train, inside the train.
Please hold
Mine
on.
is last stop, 44th Street station. So there are only two in this coach, two people.
Next stop, 44th
See,
Street
another
Station.
train is coming. Sky train, another Sky train.
Thank you for visiting Phoenix Sky Harbor, America's friendliest airport.
So one more train is waiting there. Excellent. And it is free.
Street Station.
You can see beautiful 44th Street station. See the building, its design architecture is excellent. So I have to get down here and take a train to downtown. So how beautiful it is. I just got down from this beautiful PHX Phoenix Sky train. So now I have to go to public transport. So yeah, metro light rail, you can see ground transportation, metro rail, light rail. So if possible I will take a one day pass, so that I can also use tomorrow to coming back to the airport. You can see I have to take this metro rail, so it is clearly displayed, so there is no confusion. Metro rail to downtown. So using this machine I bought a card. So this card, copper card, I will show you. So we have to click buy new card, then it says $4. Our card price is 4 and load amount is 4, order total is 8. Then we have to select pay, and then we have to select create debit card. Then we have to insert our credit card here in this card, so ticket will come there. So my train is here. So this is the train I think I have to catch. I'm not sure. I will ask for someone. So it is going to Gilbert Main Street. Train is coming. Metro rail. You can see Crown Plaza Hotel. It's just after the airport. So this is the track. So this way I have to take the train to downtown, not the other train. So other train will go to Mesa. So you can see Sky train. We can take Sky train back to airport. So clearly mentioned. So this is Valley Metro. So this is Phoenix Metro Parkway. There is one more train going opposite way, eastbound. So this is westbound. Excellent tram. Yeah, I will take this train. So Tempe, Mesa, Phoenix, everything is connected by Valley Metro Rail. So very convenient. There are almost like several stops. So now I have to get on at 44th Street, Washington. I got down at this stop. So this is center of downtown Phoenix. So I will spend here for 1.5 hours. Then go back and meet my friend's son. So with him I am planning to go to Arizona State University, ASU. So very popular with Indian students. So this is excellent metro. Light rail, sorry. See, this is downtown Phoenix. So it is very similar to other downtowns. There is no change. So excellent buildings. This is the tram stop where I got down. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.